checklist that you normally keep if you are looking at your mutual fund portfolio before 31st of March? What are the things that you have to tick off as a mutual fund investor?
So I think first things first, let's say, just to recap all that I would have said right now. If I'm still in the old tax regime, then I would look at my overall ATC allocation. If I've made use of that 1.5 lakh rupees that the government allows me to basically deduct from my taxable income, have I made use of the ATCCD with my NPS allocation and the health insurance premium? So this adds about 2.5 lakh rupees that I'm effectively able to just make use of and deduct my overall taxable income. Second, definitely I would take a look at my overall portfolio and see what my potential tax liability would be for the current year. So I'm sitting on maybe a lot of long-term gains and I see that there are unrealized losses in my portfolio, in my mutual fund portfolio, but schemes that I would definitely want to keep for the long term, then I would make use of the tax loss harvesting, book those losses, and then reinvest probably immediately to bring down my taxable gains. So make use of that, make use of that 1.25 lakh exemption that also the government gives you to rebalance your portfolio, move out of schemes maybe which could be underperforming due to either market conditions or the fund manager would have changed. So make use of that exemption also to reduce your tax liability. And finally, as I just talked about, financial year also brings in that much needed, I would say, discipline in reviewing your portfolio with respect to what my asset allocation needs to be. Has it drifted way too apart from where it was intended, and then try and bring that in sync with what you are more comfortable with. So yeah, Vinny, just want to keep things simple. Again, the advice to investors have always been: do not try and overcomplicate your portfolio. Do not try and just make an action for the sake of it. If it's adding value to your portfolio, then do it.
Absolutely